In a forest filled with vibrant flowers and towering trees, a small, plain bird lived a quiet life. She had dull brown feathers and a simple song, but she loved to help her friends and make them smile. The other birds would often gather around the brightly colored birds, listening to their beautiful songs and admiring their stunning feathers. The little bird would watch from a distance, feeling a bit left out. One day, a strong wind came to the forest, knocking down trees and destroying homes. The birds were in a panic, not knowing how to rebuild their nests. The little bird thought for a moment, then flew off to gather twigs and leaves. She worked tirelessly, using her small beak and quick wings to collect materials and rebuild the nests. As the little bird worked, the other birds began to notice her kindness and determination. They saw how she helped a family of robins repair their nest, and how she shared her food with a hungry squirrel. The birds started to appreciate the little bird's inner beauty, and they began to help her with the rebuilding efforts. The little bird's cleverness and kindness inspired the other birds to use their unique skills to help the forest. A bird with a beautiful singing voice used her talent to calm a frightened fawn, while a bird with bright feathers used his colors to attract bees to a struggling flower garden. As the days passed, the forest began to flourish once again. The birds worked together, using their different talents to create a harmonious and thriving community. The little bird's kindness and cleverness had brought the forest together, and she was finally appreciated for who she truly was. The other birds realized that they had been wrong to judge the little bird based on her appearance. They saw that her inner beauty, kindness, and cleverness were what truly made her special. The little bird was happy to have found acceptance and friendship, and she continued to spread joy and kindness throughout the forest. The little bird's story spread throughout the land, inspiring other creatures to look beyond appearance and appreciate the inner beauty of those around them. The forest became a symbol of harmony and acceptance, where all creatures could live in peace and appreciate each other's unique qualities. The little bird lived happily ever after, surrounded by her friends and the beauty of the forest. She knew that she was loved and appreciated for who she truly was, and that her kindness and cleverness had made a real difference in the world. And as the sun set over the forest, the little bird's heart was filled with joy and contentment. The little bird's story teaches us that true beauty comes from within, and that being kind is what truly makes us special. It reminds us to look beyond appearance and appreciate the unique qualities of those around us. And as we drift off to sleep, we can remember the little bird's big heart and the positive impact she had on her community. So let us all strive to be like the little bird, spreading kindness and joy wherever we go. Let us appreciate the inner beauty of those around us, and remember that it's what's inside that truly counts. With happy hearts and minds, we can create a world filled with love, acceptance, and harmony.